At DIY Protection, our goal is simple. Provide Canadians the highest level of security with an easy-to-use, plug-and-secure smart home security system that anyone can install. This means no installers, wires, or drilling is necessary. The process is easy. When you call us, we listen to your needs. We program your smart security system and ship it right to your door, no matter where you live.
With DIY Protection, you won't need my help today. Installing our smart home security system is so easy, you'll be completely set up in minutes.
Within a few minutes, you will be able to install your smart home security system and be completely set up, all with the assistance of one of our technicians on the line. Have complete control of your home. From security to automation, we can customize your system to meet your needs. With the click of a button, you can get complete peace of mind. You can arm your system, lock your doors, check the status of your sensors, and customize features like controlling your smart lights. Make your system even smarter by connecting it to your smartphone. Our easy-to-use smartphone app enables you to stay connected and have complete control on the go. See who's at your door or keep an eye on your loved ones while you're away.
Nothing is more comforting than feeling safe in your home. DIY Protection's smart home security system eliminates the need for a technician and gives you total control.
Call us at 1-844-898-8349 today, and we'll help you find the best smart home security solution. DIY Protection, Smart Home Security Solution, a new way to protect your family.